Hey there, RV enthusiasts. Steve here with Good Sense RV. Today we're diving into something critical for your safety and sanity. Bearing packs. I know it sounds like a snooze fest, but stick with me, you might just be surprised. Come on. Ever been cruising down the highway and you hear a strange noise? You might think it's your spouse snoring in the back. But no, it's your bearings screaming for attention. Neglect your bearings and you're looking at a potential breakdown. Imagine this, you're driving down the highway, wind in the hair, everything's perfect. Then all of a sudden, you're four-wheeling down the middle of the highway. Properly packed bearings ensure a smooth ride because let's face it, the only bumps you want on your trip are, never mind. Think about it like this. Spend a little bit on maintenance or wait till it's too late and end up with a repair bill that makes you rethink your life choices. Here's the deal. A little grease now could save you a lot of green later. Bring your RV to Good Sense RV. We'll handle the dirty work. Safe travels, and remember, happy bearings makes happy journeys.